Here's our new puppies. They're both moving around pretty well. The one with the food coloring was the first one born. We still don't know if they're males or females. We haven't checked. But you can see both are very active. Both look pretty big. We think they're both healthy. They're looking around for their mommy, who went out to go outside for a minute. But it looks like Josephine did an amazing job. So there's our baby Malteses. And you can hear them crying a little bit for their mommy.